Hello, this is Michal at Mytek in New York. I'm the founder and the chief designer at Mytek. And today I would like to proudly announce that the new Liberty THX headphone amplifier is finally shipping. Amplifier is packaged in a 1U tall rack enclosure, 1/3 of the rack wide, and it comes with a thick aluminum front panel, well-built aluminum chassis, high quality aux potentiometer. Amplifier is built under the license from THX company, and what it is, it's basically a circuit that we license from THX that is the lowest distortion circuit for the headphone amplifier in the world. It has about minus 140 dB total harmonic distortion, which basically translates to a very clean, accurate sound for the people who need that accuracy. It is also standardized, so when you check the sound of headphones across different THX amplifier, it will translate to the same kind of sound. I'm going to speak a little bit about how to use the unit and the basic features on it. The unit is powered by basically pressing the input button and holding it for a moment. And there are 3 switches on the front panel. The first one selects the inputs. It can actually also select a mix of inputs, so you can sum them up if you want. That can be useful in a DJ mixing situation, things like that. The second switch sets the gain. So there is a normal operating gain, but then the gain can be increased twice or decreased twice or 4 times, so respectively plus 6 dB, minus 6 dB and minus 12 dB. That is meant for the in-ear monitors that are usually very, very sensitive. The third switch is a crossfeed control, which essentially it's a feature that allows you to imitate speaker-like sound field on headphones. So essentially, instead of having the left and right channels directly pegged to your ears, you get a little bit of a mix between left and right, the way you will experience when you're listening in a near-field monitor situation, which is basically a feature that can be very useful when you're mixing a record and you want to kind of retain that impression of a sound stage in front of you rather than between your ears. And there are 4 settings for this crossfeed circuit. They are basically to choose from. You can choose the one that works the best for you. The more about them will be described in the headphone manual. It's a specific type of filter. You want to choose the one that works for you best. And that switch also allows you to listen to mono. So basically when all LEDs are selected, you are hearing the signal in mono, left and right side down. Liberty THX headphone amp has 4 analog inputs. 3 of them RCAs made with a very high quality audiophile style RCAs with a Teflon insulation. 2 XLRs that are Mytek brand combo jacks. They can work with XLR or 1/4 inch inputs if you are in a studio situation. You also have the main output before the headphone amp. It's a line level output from the amplifier that you can use if you use the amplifier as a line level preamplifier. And as I mentioned before, the linear power supply inside has a special automatic switching circuit that will adjust to any voltage between 100 and 240 volts. We have decided to come back to the large toroidal power supply solutions for all future Mytek products. So in other words, we are not using switching power supply here because we get better performance, tighter bass, less distortion from a very good oversized 60 watt linear power supply. The power supply is actually combined with a voltage selection circuit, so the line level will automatically adjust to any voltage between 100 and 240 volts depending on where you are in the world. There is a large filter capacitor bank. There are actually 3 separate regulator sections. There is one pair for the inputs section, and then there are 2 pairs for each of the left and right power amplifiers. Those are actually the THX circuits here that you see, plus a very high quality oversized Alps potentiometer, 27mm Alps potentiometer. All signal is routed through a very high quality analog relays, and the whole part selection basically consists of the lowest distortion resistors and capacitors that we could find, resulting in this amazing THX specs that you will experience when you listen to this amplifier. THX amplifier is now shipping. We are offering a promotion that we now extended to the first 100 pieces sold. Each THX amplifier will come with free Sandaro headphones. They are made by Hi-Fi Man. They are beautifully sounding planar magnetic headphones with smooth top, beautiful mid-range and tight bass, perfect pairing with this amplifier, be it pleasure listening or professional work. Thank you very much. This was Michal at Mytek. Till the next time when I will talk about the Empire DAC as well as the upcoming Liberty DAC and other products. Thank you very much.